Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can stop ads in Redmi phone. So in the beginning you will need to launch the device's settings. Here scroll down and enter the fingerprints, face data and screen lock category. Or if you have an older version of the Redmi phone or less recent version of the Redmi OS, you may want to enter the passwords and security category instead. Now look for the authorization and revocation section. You can also find it on your phone through the settings search if you won't have an exact category name as I do. And here switch off the MSA service, or should I rather say revoke the authorization. Now wait 10 seconds for this revoke button to become active, and once it is, tap on it. Additionally, you can also enter the privacy category of this or privacy section of the settings category. Look for the ad services. Once again, you can access this ad services page through the settings search if you will struggle with getting around exact settings categories, and switch off the personalized ads toggle. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.